What's the deal, everybody? It's JT back with a new video, actually series. So what I'll be doing is setting up a 5-part challenge series. We're basically gonna be picking an offer from Clickbank, setting up a direct link campaign over on Bing, and see if we can get some sales within 4 days of running that campaign. So part one is going to be offer selection. Be going over on Clickbank, show y'all my few little strategies on finding offers, winning offers to promote. After I do that, part two is going to be keyword research, going over on Bing, using keyword tools and things like that to come up with my keyword selection. Then in part three is going to be ad spying, where basically I'm going to be going over just basically doing like competition check and ripping ad copies and create my own wherever, however I want to do it. And yeah, part four would be that's part four. Be setting up tracking using Click Magic because I need to know which keywords get me the sale. I don't want to just blindly throw money down the drain. And then part five will be the live campaign build. We're basically going to be taking all the information from part one to part four, setting the campaign up over on Bing. Like I said before, I'm doing direct link campaign, so taking the information from those 4 parts and setting it up over on Bing, and then of course I'm gonna do the campaign results. I'm gonna do day 1 results, upload a video, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And in the event this campaign is profitable, I'm just gonna get this campaign away to my elite course members. Cause I figure I'll just on YouTube I'm gonna just show y'all like the basics. I might show y'all 10 to 30 different keywords, one ad copy or something like that. But my elite course members is going to get like the full treatment. They get all the new ads I'm gonna be testing, all the new keywords and stuff like that. So yeah, man, y'all in for a treat. If y'all excited for this series, like this video, comment I'm ready. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you doing? I post everything, Clickbank, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other make money online type of tutorials. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, subscribe to my channel right now. And turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And part one of this 5-part training series will be uploaded tomorrow. So yeah, man, hope y'all excited about that. Hope you get a lot of value from it. And yeah, man, I will see y'all in tomorrow's video.